Hello, welcome to my channel. Sorry about not uploading for a good long time. A couple of reasons. One, I'm trying to make new content called VR content. Still working on that. But yes, and including I'm getting ready for Anime St. Louis. And if you go to Anime St. Louis, it's April the 22nd to all the way to April 24th. And yeah, here's the things gonna be there, and I think voice actors and all that good stuff is at St. Charles Convention Center. And if you are a person who watch me, you maybe want to be there because you don't know. Maybe I'll do something. If you find me, give me a something. I don't know. Just figure something out and just say something to me after the convention. But you already know what the title is. It's a akibento box. And I have two, people. I have a February, and in June, not June. Oh my God! How my brain is. I got 2 months, but I don't know what month I grabbed, and is it January? Yeah. Why just January? People, you saw my mind. My brain was like trying to figure out. I'm tired, people. Just letting you know. I was playing VR last night, all the way up to 1 o'clock. Yeah, I maybe need to stop doing that. But I can't. Why not? It's maybe want to do is 2 months. I don't know. Let's take a look. You know what my normal routine is? Oh, I'm gonna move my chair because I'm in an awkward position. You know what I do? Put my hand in and grab. Okay. There's a shirt. On the back, I think I already maybe know. I think I already know. I don't. Some reason it has that lip from Kogi on some reason. I don't know, and I may know what box it is. Because you go on their website, Akibento, it'll give you like 2 anime names and yeah, that's all they give you in a theme. Because if you get to the items, you know, I'm guess. Technically, I don't know, but this I think I already know what. Oh, it's a February box. Is that the January box? Who cares? I want to upload this video for. I know a lot of you are going to be confused, but it is Kogios playing cards. Okay. I wonder what's joke. The funny part, there's no Joker in this whole pile of cards. Because what happened to all the Jokers? Like, when you get the new, like, oh wait, there's more. I take that back what I said. The actual Joker is it's 0. Counting down to 0. Code Geass, I do like. I did have seen it. I really more like the Code Geass movie. That one was really good, and I did like that other Code Geass minus the original cast, and with this whole different country and other stuff. Yeah. Let's keep going on. Wait, I gotta put it all the way over there. Let's go. Okay, buddy. Oh my god, it's a beanie. People, I'm not a big beanie type of guy. This is not my style, but 100% I know this is Code Geass. Because that looks like Code Geass, doesn't? And really? Because some of the beanies they give me, I don't think they actually fit me really well. Oh shit, never mind. This one fits me. But right now, I maybe do need a hat because you can see my hair very long, and that's a hint. That's literally a hint for my cosplay. Like, who knows? Please comment below because I'm not. And it's a little bit. My name is a hint. Now, Anime Angel Shane. That's your hint. Also, and this is the anime character. My name is the translation. That's all I'm going to give you. Okay. Okay, is it like super hot? That one Supergirl with Aqua and all that other stuff. Tsubasa? Kubasa? I'm butchering the name, but it looks like that, but it doesn't because it doesn't look like the actual characters. It looks like a bag. Okay. Oh, that is actually cool. It's like a little thing for your. I don't know. I really don't know. Then I need to take a look at the paper. I know what it is because this looks cool. I like it for some reason. I maybe want to use that for camping and stuff. Doesn't even mention the anime. I get a manga. To tell the truth, I have seen the anime. I really liked it, but it made the main character very stupid and like the whole. I like it. It's really funny. Really funny. I'm not gonna. But it's just something on has its moments. Oh, here's the theme. And I think that's mostly it, because I'm not feeling nothing else. Just the paper. Oh. Let's take a look. Oh! This is reversible? Oh, it is actually reversible. That's actually cool. Oh, yeah, that's 0. 100% not 0. Yeah, that's... And I'll get that pin later. Oh, this is a... Wait, this is a sandwich bag? I'm not even joking, people. It literally says sandwich bag on there. And Code Geass playing cards, and yeah, the manga, the pin, and the t-shirt. Oh, man, this is actually really cool. Okay. Yeah, I really like it. I'm just gonna maybe let you guys know there's gonna be other akibento box that'll be January's box. I know I did. I'm uploading February's box, but January's box, I didn't know what one. I didn't mark it. I'm sorry. But why not? Be fun. It just. And yeah, if you want to go to Anime St. Louis, I don't care where you live. I don't care if you live in Florida, Texas, Japan. I don't even care. You just come to Anime St. Louis, and why not? It's fun. I feel like the way I just said that sounds like I'm forcing, but I don't know. But no, just come and hang out. It's really fun. And if you can't, I'll videotape and post some videos. And yeah, the only thing I can say is please like and subscribe. Put a comment below for what item you like. And yeah. And oh, press that notification bell. I can't talk today, people. Press that notification bell every time you get notified and upload a video. And yes, I'm tired. I am sorry. And that's all I can say right now. Keep on flying and see ya. Bye. And yeah, there's the theme.